Hello everybody, you are welcome to this channel. I am Atanu Betal, and in this video lecture we discuss about the substitution reactions in organic chemistry, the types of substitution reactions in organic chemistry. This is the topic of discussions right now. In this lecture we discuss about the types of substitution reactions. Before starting these discussions, I would like to remind you that if you are new to this channel or do not subscribe this channel, then you can subscribe this channel right now. Let's start our discussion about the substitution reaction, the types of substitution reaction. At first we have to know that what is substitution reaction. Substitution reaction, suppose the example is this one is methyl bromide, and when it is reacted with KOH, aqueous potassium hydroxide, it is forming this one, means alcohol and KBr, methyl bromide, reacting with potassium hydroxide aqueous to form the methanol and KBr. So in this case, this one is means bromine atom is substituted by OH group. By OH group, two atoms are present in this group, so OH group is substituted in the position of bromine atom. So this is called a substitution reaction. In substitution reaction, an atom is an atom or a group of atom is substituted by another atom or by another groups of atom. Here an atom is substituted by a group of atoms. So substitution reactions are those reactions where atom or group of atom in the reactant molecule, this is reactant, in the reactant molecule, atom or group of atom in the reactant molecule is replaced by atoms or group of atoms and product form. This product is called as the substitution product. This is called substitution product, and this is called substituents, means OH group. The OH minus, here OH minus is that is replacing the bromine atom, and for this reason the OH minus is called the substituent. This is the substituent. The OH minus is substituted the bromine atom. Okay, bromine atom is substituted by OH minus group, so this is the substituent. So in a substitution reaction, the atom, one atom or a group of atom is replaced by substituent, but the rest part of the molecule is do not change. The rest part of the molecule, see, the rest part of the molecule has no change, just one part of the molecule is changed by the substituent. So these are called substitution reactions, where this type of part or this type of reactions are shown. This type of reactions are called as substitution reactions. So next, the important thing is that what are the types of substitution reaction. The substitution reactions based on the attacking reagent, that attack to the reactant molecule. The substitution reactions are divided into three categories. One is electrophilic substitution reactions, another one is nucleophilic substitution reactions, and the third is the free radical substitution reactions. And this nucleophilic substitution reactions is again divided into two categories. One is SN1 and SN2. SN1 and SN2 category, nucleophilic substitution unimolecular and nucleophilic substitution bimolecular. SN1 and SN2 mechanism or reactions. So the organic reactions are divided into three classes, means substitution reaction. Organic chemistry substitution reactions are divided into three classes: electrophilic, substitution, because electrophile is substituted in this electrophilic substitution, nucleophilic substitution and free radical substitution. We discuss about these three substitution in details. At first, the electrophilic substitution. In electrophilic substitution, an electrophile is replacing the atom or group of atom in the reactant molecule to form the product. As for example, this is a benzene. We are taking the as the reactant benzene and nitronium ion, NO2 plus, that is called nitronium ion, which is generated from concentrated sulfuric acid and concentrated nitric acid, that is nitration of benzene. Nitration of benzene. In case of nitration of benzene, this electrophilic substitution occur. Electrophile NO2 plus or nitronium ion is substitute the hydrogen atom present in one position of the benzene ring. Okay, in 6 position of the benzene ring, hydrogen atoms present, and one hydrogen atom is substituted by the NO2 group, and one hydrogen atom of the benzene molecule is substituted by NO2 plus or nitronium ion to form the nitrobenzene. Here in this case, the electrophilic substitution is occurring because NO2 plus is an electrophile, and electrophile substitute this hydrogen atom of the reactant molecule benzene to form the nitrobenzene. Here it is an example of electrophilic substitution because the electrophile substitute the one atom, or in this case one atom, in some cases the group of atom replaced by electrophile, and for this reason these reactions are known as electrophilic substitution reactions. Okay, so the mechanism of electrophilic substitution reaction, like how this NO2 plus is replacing the H plus, that is the details mechanism of electrophilic substitution is I am not showing this details mechanism of electrophilic substitution, because for showing the details mechanism of electrophilic substitution I can make or I will make another video where I show you that how the electrophilic substitution on aromatic ring occurs, okay, or electrophilic substitution reactions. Okay, mechanism of electrophilic substitution reactions. For this mechanism I would make another video. Now we discuss about our next kind of substitution reaction. The next kind of substitutions is the nucleophilic substitution reactions, and in nucleophilic substitution reaction, this is number 2, the nucleophilic substitution reactions. And in nucleophilic substitution reaction, a nucleophile is replaced, the nucleophile will replace the atom or group of atoms that are present in reactant molecule. For example, suppose we take chloromethyl chloride and giving potassium hydroxide with it, aqueous potassium hydroxide with it, and the reaction between the potassium hydroxide and this methyl chloride is an example of nucleophilic substitution reaction, because here the nucleophile is OH minus from potassium hydroxide K plus and OH minus is developed in the reaction mixture, because we know that potassium hydroxide is a strong alkali. So as a result, this OH minus will attack from the back side of this methyl chloride, and as a result this chlorine is removing as a good leaving group Cl minus, and the new product is formed where we called it substituted product, and the new product we can write it as OH minus in the place of KOH. In presence of OH minus, the new product is formed. New product is formed. See here, the chlorine atom is replaced by OH groups of atom. So in this reactant molecule, the one atom is replaced by other groups of atoms. So therefore this is called a substitution reaction, and this substitution reaction is called as nucleophilic substitution reaction, because the nucleophile, this is the nucleophile Nu and OH minus, nucleophile substitute this atom from the reactant. The rest of the reactant part is unchanged. See here, the rest of the reactant part is unchanged. No reaction is occurring with the rest of the part. Just reaction is occurring with the CCl bond, means chlorine is replaced by the OH group. Here it is called as nucleophilic substitution reaction, because nucleophile substitute the group of atom or only atoms in this case. Here in this case an atom is substituted by the nucleophile. So this is the case of the nucleophilic substitution reactions. Nucleophilic substitution reactions can be divided into SN1 and SN2 category. The SN1 and SN2 mechanism of nucleophilic substitution reactions. So this one is an example of SN2 mechanism. Okay, so to know more about the SN1 and SN2 mechanism, we discuss another lecture, another video lecture, that what are the details conditions of for the SN1 SN2 mechanism, and about all points about the SN1 and SN2 mechanism we would discuss in a separate video. Now after studying this nucleophilic substitution reactions, we like to study the third category of substitution reactions. The third category of substitution reaction is free radical substitution reaction. This is another important types of substitution reactions in organic chemistry. The free radical substitution reactions. Free radical substitution reaction, this is another type of substitution reactions. In this case free radical is substituted the atom or a group of atom from the reactant molecule. Suppose this one is reactant molecule, that is methane, and we are reacting with chlorine in presence of diffuse sunlight, or H nu you can write. So in presence of diffuse sunlight or H nu, this chlorine gas and methane gas, when reacting together, these are forming in this reaction, the chloromethane and the HCl is formed. This is free radical substitution reactions, because in this case during the reaction of this methane molecule and the chlorine molecules, what happens, at first this bond is broken as this one, means dot, and okay, let's see the mechanism of these reactions. This chlorine molecule will broke as the Cl, means broken, this bond is broken with dot dot, means one electron each, So 2Cl dot is developed. At first step, at the first step, this chlorine radical is developed, and chlorine radical replace the hydrogen atom of the methane molecule, and for this reason this type of reactions are called free radical substitution reactions. So let's start with the chlorine dot. This chlorine dot radical reacts with the methane molecule, and as a result of reaction with chlorine dot reaction with methane molecule, the hydrogen dot and chlorine dot combine to form HCl, and this one is forming at first CH3 dot. Okay, this hydrogen dot and chlorine dot combine to form HCl, and this methyl radical is developed. At first the methyl radical is developed, and methyl radical when reacts with another chlorine dot or chlorine radical, this time this hydrogen means this methyl chloride molecule is formed. So this is called the free radical substitution reactions, where a free radical chlorine dot is replacing the hydrogen atom of the methane molecule. At first this means hydrogen atom is forming the HCl, H and Cl, this hydrogen atom, and then when it means this methyl radical when reacting with the chlorine radical, it forms this methyl chloride. Okay, so this is the total steps of the reactions of free radical substitution reactions in organic compounds. So these are the total three types of substitution reactions, that nucleophilic substitution reaction, electrophilic substitution reactions, and free radical substitution reactions. So I wanted to clear the point about the substitution reaction types, and for the substitution reactions type nucleophilic substitution reaction, that SN1 SN2, or the electrophilic substitution reaction mechanism, I am not giving the details mechanism of this type of substitution reactions. I am just showing you the types of substitution reactions, and for this mechanism of this type of substitution reactions I would make separate video lectures. So thank you for watching this video lecture. If you find this video lecture is useful for you, or then you can like this video lecture, and if you want to subscribe this channel, then you can subscribe this channel right now.